Okay, so I just came back from work and yeah, I'm going to do a trade review on this trade which was taken. Okay, it was a profit. It was in profits. Okay, so I traded this during my break time and I just put the trade on and just leave it there. Okay, so this video will consist of the pre-market analysis, me putting on the trade, and then reviewing the trade. Okay,
It's Monday, 28th of July, almost going to be August already. Okay, so now the time is around 2:30 a.m. Eastern time. I'm going to just draw out the new week opening gap. Now I'm going to go back to a 15-minute chart just for bigger outlook. Okay, so you can see new week opening gap, we have a very big one, and now 2:30. Okay, so my outlook is, and what I will be seeing for is, I want to see price move back to the new week opening gap first before starting any move higher. Okay, because it's just a big gap and it's not like price for it to just keep moving higher. Not that it cannot, but that's not what I'll be seeing. And so yeah, so my bias for now, 2:30 a.m. let's say throughout the London session and until the AM session, if we have not retraced to that new week opening gap, I'm only interested in price to retrace for the new week opening gap. Okay, generally it's like that. Okay, so we shall see how it goes. We might start retracing down now, okay, because it's time, 2:30 a.m. Maybe I'll just put the trade on if the risk is good. Let's say 2357. Stop loss is yep. We can very well move lower. Let's say I trade this on this 23573. 3573 is okay.
Okay, so we shall see if this trade pin out.
Okay, do we form a 15-minute CB right here? If it does, I'm expecting it to be a breakaway, so my short will be based on it. Okay, and I'm going to hold this trade and we shall see whether it pins out or not. I'm not following the tops here, but I just think that, you know, first we retrace down first, and you can see my take profit is at the lowest hanging fruit also, right here. So I'm trusting this to be intermittent high first.
Okay, right here I know you guys cannot see anything, it's very dark, so sorry for the mistake, and it is what it is. Okay, I'm going to work with what I have here. So you can see I outline 15 minutes BC. Okay, so I want to see price go below it and use it as an inversion value gap and send price to the new week opening gap high. Okay, so you can see the trade painted out at around 3 something, so the trade was around, let's say, maximum 1 hour, and I decided to take profit, and it's the lowest hanging fruit, and that's my rule, always take profit at lowest hanging fruit. And now I have a free outlook to see if price reach for the new week opening gap high. I'm not here to be right, I'm here to earn money and be contented with enough. Okay, so right here you can see we reach for the new week opening gap perfectly, so reach as expected. Okay, and also right here you can see initially, right, I wanted to short at the 5-minute on the block, okay, but then I shifted my limit order lower based on a fair value gap. I know you guys cannot see it, but it doesn't really matter. The thing is, we don't need perfect entries, okay, because sometimes if you just aim to be perfect, you're going to miss out all the trades, okay. So in hindsight, okay, price did not even reach for that 5-minute order block, which did not even reach for my initial entry point which I wanted to, okay. It went short by 1 tick, okay, and then it started sinking lower, okay. So I was allowing something like that to happen, because it's even better if it don't reach for a PD rate. If it fails to reach for it, means it's even more convincing that we are going to move in one direction, okay. So yeah. Okay, so as you can see, the trade was in profits and it's a MLive account as well. Okay, you can see that sign there, and that's it for today. Okay, it was already a good profit, and so like it's enough for the day, and it's enough for the week, not just the day. Okay, because it's a troublesome week. What do I mean by troublesome week? I think it's NFP, I think, okay, if I'm not mistaken, but from what I recall, it's a troublesome week. So basically, I'm done for the week and I'm done for the month. And August is not a month that we will I will trade, okay, if you study ICT concepts, because basically it's just very choppy, and that's why you don't waste your money on ugly conditions. And yeah, ending the month very nice.